How to add to cart on stocks. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add to cart on stocks. Now, adding to your cart on stocks is not a direct way on the stock site, but I'll be showing you how you can do so in this tutorial. Just follow me to the end. And the first thing to do is to ensure that you have logged in into your stocks account already, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the stocks page where you can see search bar, the stocks logo, some options by the right side of the screen, and then you can see categories that you can use to filter your charts. And these categories include sneakers, shoes, apparel, etc. You can just select the products that you want to get, and once you selected it, the page would load. And then once the page has loaded, scroll down to see all of the products. All right, still loading. Just wait patiently for it to load. Okay, now it has loaded, so you can just select the product that you would like to add to your cart. So once you selected it, you'll be redirected to the page where you'll see more details about the product. So once you're on this page, you'll see the color of the product, and then you'll see place bid, buy, sell, etc. And then by the top part of the screen, you'll see a plus icon, the favorite icon, and then a download icon. Just click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, you will see the option add to portfolio. All right, so you have to select the size. You want large, medium, and then you can select if you want new or used. You can select the month, and then you can now select the purchase price. All right, when you selected the purchase price, click on confirm, and then once it has been confirmed, the product will be added to your portfolio. Now, to confirm if the product has been added to your portfolio, just go back to your profile. Once you're in your profile, click on it, and then once you click on it, you take it to your profile page. By the left side of the screen, you will see an option called portfolio. Click on it, and then once you click on it, you'll be taken to your page, and then you'll see the portfolios page, as you can see. So the portfolios page is just like the carts page for other sites. So on stocks, instead of the cart, we have the portfolio, and this is it. It has been added successfully. So if you want to remove this, you can just click on the delete icon here, and then you ask if you want to remove it, and then click on yes, and then it will be deleted from your cart. So that is it. This is how you can add items to carts on stocks. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.